I've built some wild stuff in my garage: egg rockets, giant Nerf guns, squirrel-proof bird feeders, but today we're talking about engineering on a whole new level. We're pulling back the curtain on real military tech that's changing the game: drones, armored vehicles, lasers, and more. These aren't sci-fi props, they're real machines pushing the limits of innovation on the battlefield. We'll break down how they work, why they matter, and the impact they're having right now. Grab your safety glasses, let's dive in. Every army faces the same problem: getting supplies to the front lines fast and safe. Enter the Bell APT, Autonomous Pod Transport. This isn't your average drone. It's a high-speed vertical takeoff machine that flies like a plane, carrying up to 100 pounds of gear. It navigates tough terrain, dodges danger, and lands precisely where needed, all without risking a human pilot. Its bi-wing, tail-sitter design means it's efficient, fast, and can fly in swarms for massive resupply missions. Bad weather? No problem. No roads? Doesn't matter. This is more than a delivery drone. It's a lifeline, and a total game-changer for military logistics. That's engineering solving a centuries-old problem. Drones can be a threat, and shooting them down with bullets is tough and risky. Enter Raytheon's high-energy laser weapon, a real-life laser cannon that silently zaps drones out of the sky. It uses advanced sensors to track targets, then fires a focused, invisible beam that heats and disables them in seconds. No explosions, no noise. The cost: just the electricity to power the laser. About $1 a shot. It's precise, clean, and can fire as long as there's power. This is physics and optics creating a shield of light, one of the most futuristic defenses on the battlefield. Lasers aren't sci-fi anymore, they're here. Stopping fast jets or helicopters takes serious speed, and the Starstreak missile delivers. It launches at over Mach 3, then splits into 3 tungsten darts mid-flight, each guided by a laser beam. No explosives, just pure kinetic energy, shredding targets with hypersonic force. 3 projectiles mean a higher chance of a hit, even if the target tries to dodge. The operator keeps the laser on target, and the darts follow it in. It's a masterpiece of high-speed aerodynamics and guidance, turning one missile into 3 deadly spears. That's out-of-the-box engineering at its finest. Imagine a tank column stopped by a river or ditch: classic military problem. The solution? The Laguan Armored Bridge Layer, a tank that carries and deploys its own bridge in minutes under fire. It drives up, unfolds a massive bridge with hydraulic arms and spans gaps up to 26 meters in about 5 minutes. The bridge can handle 70-ton tanks, and once everyone's across the vehicle, packs it up and moves on. It's heavy-duty engineering, hydraulics, automation, and armor solving a critical battlefield bottleneck. No more slow, exposed bridge building. This machine unlocks the battlefield for armored forces, specialized engineering, real-world impact. The real revolution? Tech for the individual soldier. DARPA's Squad X program connects soldiers and robots into a single network team. Wearable tech gives real-time battlefield data, locations, threats, maps, right in their view. Small drones peek around corners, sensors spot enemies through walls, and all info is instantly shared. Ground robots scout ahead, carry gear, and even provide covering fire, all controlled by simple commands. It's like giving every squad a robotic wingman and a hive mind advantage. AI and robotics are fundamentally changing what it means to be a soldier. Getting tanks from ship to shore is tough. Most landing craft are slow and limited. The Ship-to-Shore Connector, SSC, is a massive hovercraft that rides on air, skimming over water, sand, and mud at 46 miles per hour. It can land on 70% of the world's coastlines, carrying a 74-ton payload: tanks, trucks, or a company of Marines. Its lightweight aluminum hull and fly-by-wire controls make it agile and tough. The SSC bridges the gap between sea and land, no matter the obstacle. It's marine, aerospace, and materials engineering in one unstoppable package. Flexibility and power wherever the fight is. Soldiers have always carried heavy loads until now. The MUTT Multi-Utility Tactical Transport is a robotic mule, an 8x8 vehicle that follows troops hauling up to 1,200 pounds of gear. It uses follow-the-leader tech, navigates rough terrain, and is whisper-quiet thanks to its hybrid electric drive. Modular by design, it can carry stretchers, sensors, or even weapons. Soldiers arrive fresh, not exhausted, and have new capabilities at their fingertips. It's as easy to use as a loyal dog, but with the strength of a machine. The MUTT is simple, brilliant robotics solving an age-old problem. Less burden, more capability. The M4 rifle is reliable, but modern armor can stop its bullets. Enter the next-generation squad weapon, a new rifle firing a high-pressure 6.8 mm round that defeats advanced armor at longer ranges. The hybrid steel-brass cartridge is lighter and more powerful, with a recoil system that keeps it controllable. Paired with a computerized optic, laser rangefinder, ballistic computer and sensors, it calculates the perfect shot instantly. Soldiers get more power, more accuracy, and a higher chance of a first-round hit. It's a total system upgrade for the modern infantry. Engineering making every soldier more effective. Modern battlefields demand versatile vehicles. Meet the CV-90. It carries infantry, protects them with modular armor, and supports them with serious firepower. Defensive systems warn of threats and can even shoot down incoming missiles. Its modular chassis can be fitted with different turrets, cannons, or specialized equipment, command post, recovery, or even a light tank. Fast, agile, and adaptable, the CV-90 is a mobile fortress and a toolbox in one. Smart, flexible design makes it a favorite worldwide, the ultimate multi-mission machine. Attack helicopters need speed, stealth, and agility to survive modern threats. The Bell 360 Invictus is built for the future, sleek, radar-evading, and capable of over 200 miles per hour. Its articulated rotor and fly-by-wire controls give it unmatched maneuverability for nap-of-the-earth flying. Stub wings retract for stealth, and it packs a 20mm cannon plus missiles and rockets. Advanced materials and electronics make it tough and smart. This isn't just an evolution, it's a revolution in helicopter design. The Invictus is ready for tomorrow's battlefield. All these machines need fuel specifically, JP8, a universal jet fuel for planes, tanks, and trucks. Standardizing fuel simplifies logistics, but delivering it is a high-stakes engineering challenge. Specialized pumps, filters, and meters ensure clean, precise fueling even in harsh, remote environments. A single speck of dirt can destroy a jet engine, so procedures are strict and safety is paramount. Fuel specialists are the unsung heroes keeping everything running. Without flawless fueling, none of this tech would move an inch. Engineering at its most essential. Urban combat is dangerous. Soldiers need eyes in the sky, but big drones are too obvious. The RQ-16AT Hawk is a flying donut ducted fan drone, safe to use near people and buildings. It hovers with precision, fits in a backpack, and launches from anywhere. High-res cameras and infrared cameras give real-time views over walls, down alleys, or on rooftops, even in darkness. One soldier can deploy it for instant, portable surveillance. It's a perfect tool for complex environments. Personal air support for every squad, engineering for the urban battlefield. Bomb disposal is one of the world's most dangerous jobs. The Harris T-7 robot keeps humans safe, using a tracked chassis and a robotic arm with haptic feedback, so operators can feel what the robot touches, even from far away. Its arm is strong enough to rip open a car, but precise enough to cut a wire. Multiple cameras, including thermal and night vision, give operators a clear view in any condition. The T-7 is a robotic partner, not just a tool, taking the long walk so humans don't have to. Robotics, sensors, and human-machine interface at their best, saving lives through engineering. Tanks are tough, but modern anti-tank guided missiles let infantry strike from a mile away, safely. Remote weapon stations put the launcher far from the operator, who controls it from cover using a secure link. Powerful optics and thermal imaging let them find and target tanks even in the dark. Some missiles are fire and forget, others can be guided mid-flight, even to hit a tank's weak spots. This tech lets small teams defeat the heaviest armor from safety. It's a massive force multiplier. Smart engineering, big impact. Sometimes speed and surprise matter more than heavy armor. The Playsan Wilder is a lightweight, fast, and agile vehicle. Think dune buggy meets armored capsule. Its composite shell protects against rifle fire, but it's light enough to be airlifted anywhere. Modular design means it can carry a team, cargo, or be driven remotely as a scout or weapons platform. It's built for special ops, hard to spot, hard to hit, and quick to deploy. Speed, protection, and versatility, all in one go-kart size package. Engineering for the fast and the fearless. There you have it, 15 real technologies changing how militaries operate. From robotic mules to laser shields, these inventions solve problems once thought impossible. It's all about creative engineering, physics, and relentless problem solving. The future of defense is happening now, and it's only getting more advanced. Which tech blew your mind? Let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more incredible engineering deep dives.